Prepare to have your mind blown as you get into this very interesting and informative video on how to start your clothing brand. In this video, we will cover defining your brand identity, conducting market research, developing a business plan, source materials and manufacturing, and establish an online presence. There is one more thing which you just can't afford to miss, because if you miss this, your customers will not stay with your brand. I'll be telling this step at the end of video, so don't miss it. Now let's get started. Your brand identity is the soul of your clothing brand. It encompasses the essence of who you are, what you stand for, and the story you want to tell. To define your brand identity, consider the following aspects. Number 1, your unique style. Explore your personal style and the aesthetic that speaks to you. Is it minimalist, bohemian, or edgy? Define the visual elements that reflect your brand's personality. Number 2, brand values and mission. Clarify your brand's core values and the purpose behind your clothing line. Is it sustainability, inclusivity, or empowering self-expression? Your values will resonate with like-minded individuals and attract your target audience. Number 3, brand voice. Determine the tone and language you want to use in your brand communication. Are you playful and quirky, sophisticated and elegant, or casual and relatable? Consistency in your brand voice helps build authenticity and trust. Next is conducting market research. Market research is the compass that guides your brand's journey. It provides valuable insights into consumer preferences, industry trends, and competitor analysis. Let's explore the key elements of market research. Target audience. Identify your ideal customers by considering their demographics, lifestyle, preferences, and purchasing behavior. This knowledge will help you tailor your designs and marketing efforts to meet their needs. Competitor analysis. Study your competitors' offerings, branding strategies, and market positioning. Identify gaps in the market and areas where you can differentiate your brand. Aim to offer a unique value proposition to stand out. Trend analysis. Stay on top of fashion trends by researching current styles, colors, patterns, and materials. This knowledge will inspire your designs and ensure your brand stays relevant. Combining your brand identity and market research will guide your design choices and ensure your clothing brand resonates with your target audience. So, take the time to define your brand's personality and understand the pulse of the market. Remember, authenticity and a deep understanding of your customers will be the pillars of your success. A well-crafted business plan acts as your roadmap to success. It helps you outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Here are key elements to consider. Number 1, executive summary. Summarize your brand's mission, vision, and unique selling points. Clearly communicate your target market and competitive advantage. Number 2, market analysis. Conduct a thorough analysis of the fashion industry, including market size, growth trends, and consumer preferences. Identify your target audience and outline your marketing strategies. Number 3, financial planning. Develop a detailed financial plan, including projected expenses, revenue streams, and funding requirements. Consider startup costs, manufacturing expenses, marketing budgets, and profit projections. Finding quality materials and reliable manufacturing partners is crucial for delivering exceptional products. To find quality suppliers, follow these steps. Research and identify suppliers that offer the fabrics and materials aligned with your brand's aesthetic and quality standards. Consider factors such as sustainability, durability, and cost-effectiveness. Seek out manufacturers who specialize in your desired product category and have a proven track record of producing high-quality garments. Request samples, negotiate pricing and production timelines, and ensure ethical and sustainable practices. Building a strong brand image and designing captivating products are essential for attracting customers. Develop a cohesive brand identity that reflects your values, target audience, and unique selling proposition. Consistency across all touchpoints will build brand recognition and loyalty. Channel your creativity into designing products that align with your brand's identity and resonate with your target audience. Create sketches, develop technical specifications, and produce prototypes to ensure quality and fit. You can enhance the overall brand experience by designing appealing packaging and labels. Consider eco-friendly options and ensure your packaging aligns with your brand's values. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for reaching and engaging with your target audience. Step 1. Create a stunning website. Your website is the virtual storefront of your brand. Make sure it reflects your brand's identity and showcases your products effectively. Step 2. Leverage social media platforms. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your target audience and building brand awareness. Congratulations! You've established a strong online presence for your clothing brand. By having an impressive website, engaging on social media, and running effective marketing campaigns, you're on your way to connecting with your target audience and achieving online success. Now let's talk about the final point which I mentioned earlier, that you can't afford to miss this step. In the world of business, one of the most important priorities is customer satisfaction. Putting your customers' needs and happiness at the forefront of your operations can lead to long-term success. By actively listening to customer feedback, understanding their expectations, and providing exceptional service, you can create a positive and memorable experience. Remember, satisfied customers are more likely to become loyal advocates for your brand, spreading positive word of mouth and attracting new customers. Prioritizing customer satisfaction not only builds trust and loyalty but also sets you apart from your competitors. So, make it a core value of your clothing brand and watch your business thrive. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Do let us know in the comments section below, what's the name you have decided for your clothing brand?
To thrive your clothing brand online presence, influencer marketing can skyrocket your growth very quickly. We recommend checking out this video on our channel. It will help you with it. We will see you in the next video.